70 साल से अंचुलिक पार्टी ने आज तक एक भी बुरुई को एमएलए का टिकट नहीं दिया। हमने 5 बुरुई को टिकट दिया है और रिजर्व सीट से भी दिया है। इस बार पहला बार यहां में बुमा है, बुरुई लोग है, आप समझता है पहला बार 70 साल में अंचुलिक पार्टी से एक बुरुई एमएलए या मंत्री बनेगा। आपका बुकुंगबारा बुरुई एमएलए बनेगा।
Yes, it was very conscious, and when I was in the Congress, I tried to bring in a lot of youngsters. Unfortunately, there was a lot of resistance, and I do believe that if we have to change politics, not only in Tripura but in Northeast, we have to bring in people who are younger, who have no background of their parents being in politics. I'm saying this with me, my parents being in politics themselves. I've not allowed any member of my family to take part in a political party. I'm very aware of what happens in NCP and Shiv Sena and Samajwadi Party and etc. So we made a conscious decision of not allowing any member from my family to be in the political party. For me to join BJP would be difficult. It would be very, I think it would be close to impossible, because I don't think there are many things that we are comfortable with each other. I think after I achieve what I want to for my people, I don't think I want to be in politics, as I earlier told you. But eventually what matters is what you give to your people, and then you move away. It would be very difficult for me to carry on being in BJP after I have achieved what I have achieved for my people.
मैं सच बोलूं तो पॉलिटिशियन भी नहीं हूं. I want to make sure that the indigenous people make so much money that they do not need to stand outside a politician's house to beg for rights. आप rights दे दीजिए.